Are you ready to transform your financial future in 2025? The journey to wealth begins with smart choices. In an ever-changing economy, it's essential to equip yourself with robust strategies that not only promise growth, but also ensure stability. By adopting these three proven methods, you can start your path to prosperity today and sail smoothly through any economic storm. The first strategy on our list is to invest in index funds and ETFs. Imagine holding a diversified portfolio that represents hundreds of companies with just a single click. Index funds and ETFs allow you to share in the success of the stock market without the need for constant monitoring. The S&P 500, for example, has historically offered an average annual return of 10%. By starting with a small investment and contributing regularly, you'll harness the power of compound interest, watching your money grow effortlessly over time. Next, let's explore the world of real estate through a powerful technique known as house hacking. Picture this. You purchase a duplex, living in one half while renting out the other. Your tenants are not just good company, they are also helping you pay off your mortgage. This strategy serves a dual purpose. It allows you to live at a reduced cost and steadily builds your equity in the property. As real estate prices appreciate, so too does your wealth. Finally, consider diving into the digital realm with a side hustle. The internet offers countless opportunities, from affiliate marketing to selling digital products. Even a modest extra income of $500 a month can significantly accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Visualize the freedom of generating passive income. While you sleep, your side hustle earns for you, providing not just monetary gain, but also the potential for greater financial independence. In summary, the pathway to wealth in 2025 is laid out before you with these actionable strategies. By investing wisely, embracing real estate opportunities, and launching a side hustle, you can take small yet impactful steps today that lead to financial freedom tomorrow. Don't wait for the right moment. Start now and witness the transformation of your financial future, ensuring that your future self will thank you for the choices you make today. Follow for more daily money tips and embark on a journey towards building enduring wealth.